Hello guys! Today, let's go over the customer list and add customers in Quickbook Online 2022. So we usually use Chrome and go to the website. I will use Test Drive. This website, it is for free. And we can practice anything in here about Quickbook, but some tools are not allowed. But it is very useful to practice. Okay, here we are. This is the Quickbook Online site. Let's go to Sales. Don't click anything, just put on your cursor on it and then go to Customers. Click New Customer, right top, click and put your name, put the customer name. If you fill up in here, it displays this part. And fill up every information in here and street address, city, zip code, notes, payment, method, terms, customer type, taxes, and then you can save with only name. And there is Edward Bruce. Go back, customers. You can find the Edward Bruce. Now we are starting to add sub-customers. Go to customer again, new customer, something different name in here, Eddie, Eddie King, and click this part, is a sub-customer of Edward. And then he's supposed to be parent customer. Save. It belongs to Edward Bros. You got it? That's all the thing about customers. And let me check in here. There is parents, there is sub customer. That's all. And if you want import customer, click the arrow and import customers. And you can upload about Excel file or Google Sheet. Thanks for watching my video and let's see another videos. Stay tuned.